practical rules. Yes, 50% it will help. Turn German language into a habit and you will rock. Present tense, future tense, future 1, future 2, motivate yourself and you will kill it. German language is not at all tough. It's very nice. You're watching German Gyan. German Gyan. My name is Nidhi Jain, and guys, again I am here for you with another German video. Guys, in this video you will be able to know how to make German language easy and more interactive. Like, I think so I have got a lot of queries, like till in these 5 years I have got a lot of queries related to speaking, related to hearing, related to articles, related to German cases. So for all the things, this video is a one place solution for you. Like, German Gyan is a one place where you get all your queries finished related to German language or IELTS preparation. Am I clear? Let's get into the video. If you are new on my channel, then you know what you have to do. Just right now subscribe this channel, like this video and share it. Whosoever needs, whosoever is planning to learn German, or whosoever is facing problem in learning German language, this German video is not specifically for A1 or A2 or B1 learners. This video is for all the German language learners A1 to C2. I hope this will help you. So let's get into the video. And before that, I want to tell you, if you want to learn German language with German Gyan, then you can just WhatsApp me. WhatsApp link you will find in description. Just WhatsApp me and you can get the discount which is going right now. It is only valid for the limited time, so remember that. And yeah, let's get into the video. So guys, first of all, I want to clear this thing. German language is not a difficult language. It's a myth. German language is a very easy language. In fact, I will say you it is more easy than English. See guys, if you are learning this language, you are a baby. Like a newborn baby learns something and something daily, and then he or she is very frequent. Like I have learned something and something and something, and now I am here to speak with you in front of you. So this is how, if you are learning German as a beginner, you are a baby, and baby will learn slowly things. You are a baby, for everything takes a time. This is a very true learn. It's a very clear statement, like everybody know, which is 100% correct also, that if you give anything your precious time and full commitment, then it will give you one day a beautiful shine in your life. So that's exactly is German language is. You don't have to worry for that. If you give your precious time and 100% commitment, then you will see the result and you will shine in your life. And that's a promise of mine to you. Having enough motivation and working hard towards your goal. Like, if you want to learn German, then please just stay motivated and just keep doing hard, and one day you will see that the small plant has become a tree. So that's how you will be there, a shining star in German language. So guys, if you are stuck at one place, that what should I do, what should I opt, where should I go, how can I start, then this video is just for you. Let's get into the video. Find a proper and a very strong reason that will keep you motivated to learn German language or any goal. Right now I'm talking about German language, so yes, find something very motivational and a strong reason that will motivate you and you will kill it. Second, try to learn all the fundamentals of German language that will help you to motivate yourself, plus you will be learning German language from a depth. Third, keep learning things which are interesting. Like, you can learn slangs, you can learn motivation quotes, you can learn funny words, idioms. There are a lot of things which you can learn. In fact, if you are A2 learner, then let me tell you very frankly, please don't like don't tell me anything wrong or something, don't say me anything wrong in comment section. But in A2 German level we are having a topic which are abusive words. So if you are planning to travel to Germany, then it's a must for you. If somebody say you something, so because somebody if abusing in Germany to you, then you must know what you have to reply. That is there just for your safety. Let's come to the point number 4. The point number 4 is that keep practicing the German language on the daily basis. That will help you to the next level. In fact, if possible, so guys, if possible, then please do talk to the native speaker. That will help you, and it basically increases your speaking practice and it will help you so much. Now let's talk about some tenses. So in tenses, as I have told you that I will be taking a lot of topics which you are super confused. So next topic is tenses. For tenses, I must give you a suggestion. If you are learning tenses, these suggestions are for A2 and A1 learners. So yes, for the present tense you can easily relate. I'm not saying you to compare, you can relate with English, and that will help you to make it super easier. If I talk about preteritum, which you will be learning in A2 learners, so this is for A2 learners. If you are learning preteritum, then you can relate it with perfect past. Perfect past, with that you can relate preteritum tense of past tense in German language, and it will help you to make things more easier. If I talk about pluscuamperfekt, then that you can that you can relate with past tense in English, and that will help you to make it more easier. If I talk about future one, then you can easily relate it with future tense in English, and that will also help you so much. If I talk about future 2 you can relate it with future perfect plus will and have. That will help you so much. One disclaimer I'm giving you, that 100% proper assurity I'm not giving you. It doesn't match 100%. Basically I want to say this, if you relate it, please don't compare. They both are different. German and English are totally different, but yes, you will find some similarity, you can say, and that will help you to learn things more easier, and in that way it will be super easy and interesting for you to learn it more deeply and more interest. So yeah, all the very best. Now let's come to the most important thing and the most difficult part of German language, which is verbs and articles. Now in German language, as you all know, articles are super tough to learn. Verbs, there are a lot how you have to learn all the verbs. So I'm having some basic tips which you can follow, and you will be able to get some help from my side. So are you excited? Let's start. So the first one is, if you are a beginner and you are start learning German, or you are planning to learn German, then guys, learn vocabulary with articles like there, das, the. These are the articles which tell you the gender of the things. It will help you so much. Start learning vocabulary only and only with the articles there, das, the. If you follow my German Gyan 1 Instagram page, you will find all the vocabulary which I have put there is with articles. Why articles? Because if you are learning things with article, that will help you in next levels, in a bigger level. Suppose you are in A1, hardly it will be use of articles except the German cases or possessive pronouns or something like that, but in A2 there is a huge use. So everything is connected in German. Like if you are doing A1, then most of the things it will be helping you for the A2 level, and same with B1. So each and every level is connected in German language. That's why we have said that you can give the highest level, because company will ask you for that only. I hope this thing is clear to you. This is a very important thing, so that you should know that what exactly the reality is. One very important tip I want to give you, which I have applied when I was learning German. Whatever you are watching in front of you, whether it is glass, table, clothes, socks, shoes, if you are traveling somewhere, metro, seats, seat cover, handle, anything. So guys, whatever you are watching in front of you, try to learn the German vocabulary for that, and that will help you to increase your German vocabulary to the next level. This has helped me a lot. Like if I'm standing somewhere, then I will opt all the things and I will start saying that okay, let me know this in German, and I just not Google it. There is one app, dict.cc. Just upload it. That will be telling you the meaning, the exact English to German, German to English, everything with article, and it will help you so much. Has helped me. This is my personal suggestion. Most important for article, this tip I am giving you. 50% article rules will help you. Remaining 50% you have to learn it. There is no other way. Just learn all the articles. For German article rules, you can just get a link in description, so you can just go through it, and that will help you to learn German. And yeah, perfect to go. One very important thing for all the German learners, please guys, get your trainer who will help you so much, like who will help you and guide you in each and everything, what you have to do, why German, what after German language, how you can apply for wealth exams, what level is the best for you, where exactly you are lacking, how you have to do the preparations, and each and everything. Whosoever know you much more better, that is a perfect trainer for you. So this trainer definition you must know, then only choose your German trainer. Basically guys, as a conclusion, I want to tell you, turn German learning as your habit, and if that will be happening, then I can write down and give you that you gonna grab this German language very quickly, and it will help you so much. So this is a very important tip. If you can turn your learning German into a habit, it will be just perfect. Practice speaking without any hesitation. If you remember, and if you were a child, I think so all your teachers and all your family members used to say you that speak English. If you will be speaking a wrong English, then also it will be a benefit for you, because one day you will be getting yourself correct. So in the same way you have to do like that. In the same way, if you want to improve your speaking, this is a speaking skill, and this is a very important skill. So in the same way, you just have to speak German. If you are saying wrong also, then just try it, and one day I can promise you will be a perfect speaker. In fact, you can just stand in front of the mirror and just keep on speaking. Otherwise, find somebody who is learning with you. Find somebody. In fact, you can talk with your trainer. Talk if trainer is not for you, because trainer is of course teaching field. So talk to the WhatsApp groups which are there. So Instagram live, YouTube live, you can just have a talk in a German, and it will be a blast for the speaking practice. As much as you can, listen German movies. Listen German songs, German movies, because German Gan is organizing German movies days, so you can just join it, learn German, hear German, and dive yourself into the German culture. That will help you so much. So guys, that was my tips that will make your German language easy and much more interesting. I hope this video is helpful for you. If it is helpful, then please don't forget to subscribe this channel, follow me on German Gan 1, like this video, like it, please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Tuesday at 9 PM I'm coming live. Please stay connected with me and keep learning German with German Gan. Cheers. If you want to enroll, then German Gan is there for you. Cheers.